If your Dodge Durango keeps dropping its connection to Apple CarPlay, it is usually a simple fix rather than a hardware failure. Studies show that nearly 80% of connectivity issues stem from cables or minor software bugs rather than the Uconnect system itself. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by swapping your cable for a genuine Apple cord, cleaning your phone port, and performing a hard reset on the Uconnect head unit. Next, check your iPhone settings for software updates and ensure that CarPlay is not restricted under your screen time permissions. If problems persist, try resetting your iPhone network settings or toggling off USB restricted mode in your security settings. Most issues are solvable at home, but if the USB port feels loose or physical damage is present, you may need a professional repair. Replacing a damaged USB hub is the most expensive common fix, often costing over $150 at the dealership. Keep a basic set of plastic pry tools handy if you eventually need to access the console hub for a physical replacement. Always prioritize the simplest fix first, as complex electrical issues are statistically rare for this specific symptom. If these steps did not resolve your connection, check your Uconnect version online for any known service bulletins. Thanks for watching.